All right, so market outlook. So we pivoted at a very important support area what was that? That was last Monday, and that began the 4-day run higher. And then we got another green day yesterday, 5 days up. So now we're just kind of seeing a reactionary move. We've seen this range-bound market all year, and now we're cooling off a bit. I think it's really easy to see what's going on with the NASDAQ. Let me get these lines out of here. So we can see this uptrend that's intact, and this is been the key to the market. We saw this happen. This pivot happened last Monday, and we got super long. And then I felt that was pretty much the opportunity to buy. And then I haven't done much in the past 3 days because I'm expecting a pullback. I'm expecting a pullback to the bottom end of this uptrend range in the NASDAQ. And that's what I'm going to look for longs again. Is it going to be 1 day, 2 days? I don't know. But, this pattern is just super, super obvious at this point where it's just we test the bottom end of the channel. And some extreme buying happens, we get a crazy run, we go to the top end of the channel, and we weaken up, and people are like, is the top in, not realizing we're just literally in this rising channel. I don't know, it seems pretty simple to me. What about you, Ben? What are you thinking?
Yeah, I literally have almost the same identical drawn out chart for
so
the
perfect.
NASDAQ.
Yeah, literally.
It's trends are
super obvious. It's like you buy when if you see that pivot hold, you load up on your stocks then, and I'll let you talk.
Well, I mean, that was the only thing that I'd like to add on to. If you want to pull up that BDC chart, so we're talking about individual sectors, consumer staples hasn't been as extended as we're talking about compared to the NASDAQ the last couple of days, where we could look for some consumer staple stocks that could potentially break out of the flag that has been forming in that sector for the last couple of months.
Yeah.
So that was the one thing I want to add regarding the market outlook.